The two most important things in any CRM or tools in any CRM are dashboards and segmentation. The most important thing for any business is to take fast decisions. So reporting gets critical and to take fast action. Hi, this is Vikram here from Kylas. And today we are going to go through how to use reporting and segmentation and advanced segmentation for your business. So you can take decisions faster and you can grow faster by taking actions on a particular segment of data. Welcome to our intermediate course. Hope you have set up your CRMs properly. You have a link of our previous courses below in the comment. And let's get started from here. So let's get started with building our own dashboard. In Kylas, you can build your own dashboards with different reports and dashlets. So you can get a complete view of your business. So as a business owner, I'd like to see my revenue, where it's coming from and how it's structured by geography and all these things, right? So let's quickly get to building the reports. The first thing that we are building is a revenue report. So we are building a revenue report by salesperson. We are building a revenue report by channel, where I select my revenue from my deal pipeline and my channel, which flows through UTM parameters from my marketing objects. Similarly, by salespeople from the deal pipeline, I select a particular sales people as my parameter and revenue as the other parameter to build salespeople wise revenue report. So now that I can see my revenue. The other thing I want to see is primarily where are the leads coming in from, how are they converting. So my marketing reports. So let's go and build a source wise marketing report. So in a source wise marketing report, I usually go and select my sources. All the sources will be tagged, and against that, how many leads I have got and how many of them qualified. So I can build a three-dimensional or a staggered report around that. So you exactly know how that's flowing in. You can also bring in a cost parameter if you want, and you can also do a report on which channel, how much is it costing, how much you spend, how much is the cost per lead, and how much is the cost per qualified lead. So that becomes very powerful in understanding how your marketing is going. Next thing we want to do is take a quick view on your deal pipelines and all these, right? So a manager will usually go to the Kanban report and get into each deal. But at a business level, when the management gets into it, they want a quick review on how the pipeline is moving. So how many deals are stuck in which stages. And you can quickly click on any of the stage and get onto that list and quickly discuss which leads kind of to move forward and how, and if you need some management decisions. This is a very powerful feature because from all the reporting, you can directly jump to the data, which is very, very crucial, and a lot of CRMs don't do that, right? So the next report we want to build to see is how my salespeople are performing. And so I can build a report which makes me understand a salesperson, how many leads were allocated to him or deals were allocated to him, how many of them was he able to qualify, what is his ratio, and how many has he closed. So you understand which salesperson is able to close better, how is his velocity, and how can he pull off revenue. That also allows you to see where training is required and who needs to be rewarded, right? From there on, we get into a little bit complex reporting, and this is a three-dimensional report on your lead or deal, where we are trying to see geo-wise, source-wise, multi-dimensional reporting on your lead and deal. For example, from what geography, how many leads I have gotten, and in that, what was the source of the leads I have gotten, right? So you will be able to see what channel is performing better for which geographies. So that gives you more insights into how to do your marketing in a particular geography. Not only that, we have goals and target versus achieved also implemented in Kylas, where you can set sales goals and quotas and all these as goals within the platform, and you can see automatically how much of it is achieved. So you have a fabulous target versus achieved with goals, and goal settings can be done. You can do it by quarter, by week, and publish it so the salespeople and the management gets a clear view on where they stand in regards to sales or in marketing. So reporting helps you take the right decision, and segmentation will help you get to the data to take quick actions, right? So let's get to the segmentation part in the system, where you can quickly access the data, segment it, and quickly create smart lists from it and send out campaigns, emails, WhatsApp. For example, if you want to see today's abandoned cart and all these, you can quickly type it in or filter it and send out a email to the smart list. Or if you want to see who had bought the products 3 months back, it can create a smart list for you quickly, and you can send an email, WhatsApp, or an offer to them, or put them in remarketing also very quickly. So all these things are possible with segmentation. That's why segmentation on a CRM is very, very critical. Being able to segment data the way you want and quickly being able to do campaign on it gets very, very critical, right? So we have two ways of segmenting data. One is we have given filters on the right, where you can quickly get to data. So let's quickly see. I want to find out deals which were in a demo, but they have not closed in last 1 month, and I want to roll out an offer to them. So I can simply apply a filter of demo done. I can put a date, and I can see last month demo done but not closed as a disposition. And I can create a smart list out of it, and I can quickly send out an email offer to them and a WhatsApp offer to them. So it's very easy to do that. The second way of segmenting data, and that's very powerful for a user who's just getting started with CRM, as you can prompt in our AI assistant and you will quickly get a list. So I can prompt the same thing in my AI assistant, and I can say in my deals, I have demo done in the last 1 month but not closed, and it will give you a list of demos of the same. So this is extremely powerful from a business standpoint. You can not only segment it with multiple rules, so I can also add on top of it. So I had the demo done and they went into a negotiation stage but not closed, so they were interested. Then I can say demo done, they are just sitting in trial. I can again get that list again. So what this allows you to do is kind of think and get to data. For marketing guys, this is very, very crucial. From a growth perspective or a GTM engineer, it's extremely important to understand. I can segment data across pipelines and quickly get to data. So you can run segmentation on leads and deals or your suspect pipeline. You can segment data across with every field and write your own rules. So extremely powerful tool to get to your data. You can quickly set up smart list out of it, and you can run all the campaigns that you want on top of it and track it. So just to understand the difference in reporting, right, and a lot of users get confused here, is there are two types of report. There are aggregate reports and there are time-based reports, right, which will capture events over a period of time, store a lot of data. All the CRMs will give you aggregate reports. If you want time-based reports, you have to connect a BI platform to it. We are connected to Power BI out of the box. We can also push the data to Looker or any other platform like Kissmetrics, Mixpanel very easily. Just to understand the difference, for example, if I am a marketing manager, I want to see how my CPL is moving every day. I want to see how my costs per CPMs are moving every day. I need a time-based report. I can decide the frequency. I want a data dump every 2 hours, every day, and I can set it up in a BI platform to take a data dump. A CRM will not give you time-based reporting. It will give you always aggregate reporting. If you need time-based report, you need a proper BI analytics platform. In the future, we might also plug in an analytics platform. For now, you can just use something like a Power BI or any other mixed panel platform. We have given some examples here on how to connect to Power BI, how you can also take data dump from your marketing engines. So I want to dump cost every day from my marketing platforms and connect CRM data to it. And I want to get a full funnel report. And that's what we have shown it as an example here in Power BI. So I hope this has helped. So don't make your CRM a system of record. Use it wisely to take smarter decisions with dashboarding. Get to segments quickly, take actions and make it a system of growth. And that is what we are here for. So happy selling and keep growing.